Ooh.
Yeah. The beach fit tattoos. It's making me look reserved. These are our outfits of the day. We're quickly going to the beach. So mine is thrifted and this is upcycled. And the flops are from Cotton On. This is from a shop in the CBD. Toby's.
Yes, mine is Shein.
Everything.
Shein. Okay, this is from Shein.
Shades.
Shades from Shein.
Okay, let's go to the beach. Oh, shades from Shein. The Shein.
China.
Guys, today's weather is not on our side. Like, look, it's going down. We're wearing the weather is not make sure today. How Tobs and now you know however must shoot at the top. You can't shoot at the top. Bye, surfer. Beach dates. They're having a twerking contest. Twerk, 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 twerk. Feeling good, like I should. Nyok fatu up. Okay, ba in? Look at this massive wave coming this side. Leli kusana el-muscle la phakathi. Singihlaphule.
Sayiphelile from athingokayilo.
Hey friends, welcome.
Welcome back to Being Samu. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to VLOGMAS. We are doing another episode of VLOGMAS, and today you are spending the day with me at UShaka Marine. If you are new here, please do like, comment what you like about this video, and I hope that this video convinces you to subscribe, okay? And if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Welcome back to your premium content channel, baby. I really hope y'all can hear me. But we currently, we checked out at our first hotel, and we went to our second hotel where we just dropped off our luggage and quickly came here. So yeah, we were late to get here, so we couldn't do anything, and then we just came here, took a stroll. After the stroll, we quickly went to the hotel, rested, and we woke up and we went on a date at Mitera. Mitera was really nice. It was amazing, like 10 out of 10. We had the nicest waiter. We had this other chicken platter, I forgot the name. We also had the pizza. Was it lamb pizza? Yeah. No, the pizza was not made sure, because it had some bit of chili. Like, if you're gonna serve pizza, give me chili on the side, and don't put it on the pizza if it doesn't say chili lamb. Did it say chili lamb? Maybe it did say chili lamb. It wasn't chili lamb pizza. Yeah, something spicy. We really enjoyed ourselves at Mitera. After Mitera, my social battery just went on a 0. Like, it went ooh. So I went to bed, and that was yesterday.
This is how you were. So to you.
My friend is showing me a picture of me when we were about to leave Mitera, like social bed. I couldn't smile anymore, nothing was cute, so that's why I went to bed. So today, let's eat and go let's eat and then go have fun at UShaka Marine. We're already here at the Wimpy, so we're eating and then we are gallivanting. So yeah, I hope you're still enjoying VLOGMAS. See you just now, okay? Hungry. Famished. We are poor. How are you feeling, Toby? Feeling good. You're feeling warm, ne? The coffee is doing the thing. Pre, how are you feeling? Feeling excited, like it's not our last day. Who's that Instagram friend? Nang beteng ano? Kuya pre. Bigay siya pre. It is pouring, but the girls are on holiday. Ha 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 ha. Huh? Ne, babona ukuthi akusasimnandi. Mari wena beshilo musukusela ekseni.
So ama-shows
Hello, UShaka. Oh, UShaka. Ngathi vele sesihambe esikebheni.
Guys, will come.
Thank you.
Please stand together. We think photos for everyone.
that will be happening outside at the small stadium.
breakfast. We quickly rushed to the aquarium. I hope you will enjoy it. We are going to the seal show now. We are very late, so we will run to the seal show, and then after that we're doing the dolphin show, right? And yeah, let's go to see some seals.
All of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing this story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me know. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love you, seen the way to me leave her. I do the world I've seen her. We are nobody who Jehovah. And the Lord that they go far. Who's the gold that they buy? That's how they move the shit. And then I really put you to bar. Midnight was that she got.
Ah, wow.
Volunteers are really having fun down here. They've been dancing so hard. You're feeling warm right now. I think it's time. Wow, volunteers have been absolutely amazing out here. Please, can you send them to their seats with
Ooh, take it away, babies.
Last but not least, she is the granddaughter of UShaka SeaWorld. Please make some noise for Kanya. You guys have been.
Hi, Toby.
Welcome to San Juan Hotel.
So, as you enter, there's like the lavatory, and then the shower over here. We just have our things on the floor, the basin where you wash your face and brush your teeth, and then the sleeping area. So actually this is like a room for 3 people. Our heads, and let me show you this side, your hanging area, another mirror. So this would be like your get ready place, and then you have a full length mirror for your outfits, and that's it. Hi friends. So different setting. From our previous hotel, we had to move into this one. It's by the bus station.
just so that we can catch our bus in the evening. It's already around 9, so we need to go to the bus station very soon. Yeah, the last time I was able to vlog was at UShaka Marine. It was so nice. I just feel like you should do UShaka Marine if you are going to come and experience Durban. Go to UShaka Marine. Hey, go to the UShaka Marine. We went to the Sea World, which is like the aquarium, the dolphin show. We missed the seal show because we were stuck in the aquarium. It was unbelievable, literally. The aquarium was epic. Like, it felt like the stuff wasn't real. Like, the sea creatures felt like it's not real. So we are here. We came back from UShaka Marine and we just showered and chilled. We are just waiting for our food and then we are going to catch our bus. So yeah, you've seen our room, and yeah, I think I'm gonna close off the vlog here before we end up with a vlog that has an outro that doesn't make sense. I hope you have liked the vlog and you will comment what you liked about the vlog, if you like the fishes, if you like the dolphins. If I wish I had all captured the penguins. We also went to see how they feed penguins, African penguins, to be specific.
I also wish the same.
You also wish the penguins were on the vlog, ne? But they're not. My battery died and your girl doesn't have a power bank. Please drag me. If 2024 comes through and I still cry about my battery dying because I don't have a power bank, drag me. Okay? Drag me, because why? Why? Why couldn't I show you my whole day when we were spending it together? But yeah, I'm going into the bus with my bonnet. I'm going to put on my track pants, tracksuit basically, rugu, jersey, katulo, and then we're going to the bus to sleep. And then we'll arrive in Joburg in the morning. So yeah, see you guys on my next video. Goodbye. Bye, girl.